What if I told you E18, write your essays, solve math problems, and organize your notes all for free? Today, I'm showing you 5 game-changing AI tools that'll transform how you study. ChatGPT is your personal tutor available 24/7. Use it to explain complex topics, brainstorm essay ideas, or debug code. Simply paste your question and get instant answers. Students love it for breaking down difficult concepts into simple language. It's completely free. At OpenAI helps you create study guides, summarize lecture notes, and organize research. It integrates tightly into Notion, so your notes stay in one place. Use AI to generate study questions from your notes automatically. This saves hours every week on organization and prep work. Work in UZ. We go con organization and Grammarly catches grammar mistakes, improves tone, and checks plagiarism. It works in your browser, email, and Word documents. The free version alone helps you submit polished assignments. For serious writers, the premium version offers advanced suggestions that elevate your academic writing instantly. Wolfram Alpha solves complex math and science problems step by step. Quillbot paraphrases and improves your writing without changing meaning. Both are essential for STEM students and essay writers. Together, they cover your academic weaknesses. Start with free versions, then upgrade if needed. Found this helpful? Hit like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and comment which tool you're trying first.